Hey guys, it's me, Rocco Fenario. Today we're going to be doing a nature walk with my friend Jackson Cassidy, Easton Fenario. Yeah, so let's get into the video.
Where did Jackson go?
You're literally behind the thing, Jackson. What are you doing? Ah! God! Jackson. No, I'm scared. I wasn't scared of you doing that. I was just scared that you could knock down my iPad.
My mom never noticed that was the train tracks.
Yeah, train tracks, it's beautiful.
My mom asked me what it was.
Guys, cut the video. No, don't cut the video. Guys, that's the train tracks. It's beautiful behind my house. Really beautiful.
Oh, you remember that one where it was way dark with the flashlight?
Yeah, that one.
That's where we were walking.
Yeah, and I tried to show the train tracks.
But
So this is kind of like a remake. Kind of, just a little. But we didn't go down to the creek. There's a creek, guys.
yeah, but this time
Yeah, river. I love my neighborhood. It's so cool. But but like kids are mean in my neighborhood.
Yeah. One of them punched
What?
him in the face.
Nah, I was kidding, Jackson. But no, there was bad kids.
Yeah.
They hurt one of my friends. Jackson, we're not going that way. We're going this way.
Did they pick me up?
Oh no. They were no, Jack. Oh yeah. But no, it's not muddy. Okay. See you later. Mashed potato. What? What?
I know.
Come on. Wait, let's go. I know there's a pond there. Wait, but does it have water in there?
Yeah.
What? Last time there was no water. Do you want to get a closer look? There's another way to get a closer look. But we're not going in there.
I will.
You will?
Hear me.
No way. No, Jackson. Your mom will yell at our moms and stuff in us. Jackson, no, not that way. That's not the way.
This is a better look.
Yeah, guys, if you could see. No, Jackson. Jackson, that's not the way. We're going to go see this first. All right, you want to go here, this way? Jackson,
I do not want to go in there.
I know, we're not. EJ, we're just going down to look at the water. Whoa, it's scary. Guys, Cop Rocco's merch. Or Rocco will be mad at you. Cop my merch, guys. Cop the merch. What? It's still muddy? What? It's still muddy? What? That was never muddy still. You guys can't really see. Wait, when was it muddy still?
Wait, there's water.
Jackson, be careful. This isn't too bad.
Last
but it's
time
still
it was
slippery.
better.
Yeah.
Remember when
I almost fell in the mud. Dude. Wait, show it to the camera. Yeah. All right, guys, let's go.
Did we find the pond?
Yeah, the pond's like right down
Can we
here.
find it in there?
No, we're not going in.
Can we fill this in there?
Whoa! Yes.
Are
Jackson.
we gonna fill this in there?
My Gucci slippers.
Can we fill this in there?
Yeah, sure. Let's go.
Wait.
But I'll throw it in because the cameras need the.
No, I'm gonna throw this in the camera and get wet.
Oh yeah. But you gotta throw it when it's close to the camera because then the camera won't see. I mean the audience.
Oh yeah.
There's still ice.
I love these ice things.
Guys, there's ice and it's literally warming up outside.
It's so hot.
I know. I'm wearing my sweatshirt to just be cool. Oh dang. Got stuff on my leg. But it isn't poop, guys. Wait, guys. Jackson, I gotta get this off. Looks like poop. It's not poop though. It really does. All right, it's fine. Jackson, when you throw it in, the camera's gotta see it. Wait, Jackson.
I don't want to get wet. Okay.
Big splash.
Wow.
Guys, this is the beautiful pond. The beautiful.
It's a pond and a river. I should have put my phone out there.
No one's. I mean, you're loud. Guys, I'm literally breaking the law. I mean, you could go swimming, but it's not. People just don't really want you to.
What?
You're allowed to, but I don't know why they want you to. It's beautiful.
Can we go over there? How do you get over there?
Oh, for there, you might gotta go around. I'm gonna show you a beautiful bank spot.
Wait, oh yeah.
It's not the bank. Oh, God. Oh, Jackson, not there. Not that way. EJ, you okay? You got dirty?
Yeah.
Oh, dang. Wait, EJ, I'll get you on dirty. EJ, use this. Use this to wipe it off you. Why not? Why not?
Let's use my jacket.
Jackson, follow me.
Do trains come up there? Yeah.
Yeah, they do. All right, Jackson, come on, let's go. Follow us. Just follow me. We're going to a bank. We're going to a bank over here. Not yet. No, that's just going to waste a little too much of our time. Sorry, Jackson.
Where's the bank?
It's just follow me. The bank, not the bank. Like, it's not. Oh, dang, I keep on getting stuff on me. It's like a good bank. Not the bank that you put your money in, guys. Not there. It's not there, guys. Follow me. Jackson, you're not the leader. Yeah, it is over here. Oh, God. Jackson, this is the way where the prickers are. It's not there, Jackson. Just follow me. No, Jackson. All right, yeah. EJ, why do you wear flip-flops? You dummy. EJ, show the camera. Yeah.
Dog.
All right, guys.
Now I got this all day.
Guys, I heard something jumping. Guys. Wait. I think it's over here. Yeah, guys, it's over here.
Guys, I don't want to do any more further.
No, EJ, we're not. Okay, bye. Jackson, see you and me. Easton quitted the team because he's scared. Did you quit, Easton, or no? Guys, it's just over there. It's not too far. Okay, we're not going to forget. Guys, come on, guys. Jackson, follow.
Go here. Go that way.
Yeah, that's where we're going. Guys, don't step on those, Jackson. What if there's a snake? I'm scared because someone could fall in and get injuries. Like, that's going to happen to Easton probably. And I'm going to get killed. And then Jackson got to go home. And all this bad stuff starts happening. Jay, look out. There's a pricker. EJ, it's not bad. See, guys? That's the lake. That's the part of the stream. What? I don't know. People put bamboo down here. You okay? Bamboo? Yeah, there's bamboo. Guys, that's bamboo right there. Jackson, be careful. You're a little too close for comfort. Don't get too close, Jackson. We're coming. Jump over that. Quicksand? You good? Wait, I gotta get. What? Jackson! Wait, show the camera. Step in it. Wait. I'm wearing flip-flops, so. No, it's not quicksand. Guys, this is it. The creek. But over here, it's not really too bad. Jackson, Cass.
Look at my sock wet.
Well, guys, let's go back.
No, that's not it.
Jackson, come on. It already spared 10 minutes.
I'm getting my feet on, baby.
Guys, come on, let's go.
But,
Jackson, come on. We gotta go. The viewers are kind of starting to get bored. Up the hill. Be careful if there's any snake. Guys, this is just getting back. If you guys want to see that part, you don't have to, guys. What? Jackson, you almost made my iPad fall. And a snake would eat it. Jackson Cass. Jackson, that is poop. Psych. Oh, wait, is this the way?
Yeah, I see a fountain.
Guys, ow, dang. Ow, I got a cut.
Okay.
Ah, it hurts.
Follow me.
Whoa,
Jackson, turn this way.
whoa, prickers. Prickers are dangerous, guys. Watch out for that. Guys, wait for me. Guys, you don't want your own Rocco Jacka to get stuck. What?
How are we gonna get a car?
What?
How are we gonna get a car?
What'd you say?
How are we gonna get a car?
Oh, Jackson, it's simple. Just walk across.
Wow. That's a big slipper.
I don't think that's a pricker.
Hit me hard.
Guys, never step in quicksand if you know what quicksand looks like.
Yeah.
Never.
If you,
Dude,
if you just step in and sinking,
that means it's quicksand.
Yeah.
But quicksand isn't too close to us.
Ah.
EJ,
Oh.
dude, you gotta change before mom even sees you. EJ, you gotta stop falling. Grab your shoes. Ah,
Keep going straight.
EJ, you can't step in holes like that.
I'm trying not
EJ, get out of it. Get out. EJ, get out. When you get home, you gotta take a bath.
Yeah.
But me and Jackson are gonna keep on playing.
Guys.
Guys, Jackson, EJ, come on. Guys, come on.
Ow.
Guys, come on. Stop. Guys, stop messing around. This isn't funny.
I got change.
Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today.
Who's the one you here for?
Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed. But we're not done yet. We gotta get home safely. Jackson, Easton has to get home.
Like now.
Okay, so maybe later we could go down there.
Use feet.
EJ, we'll,
I'm never doing down there.
you can walk by yourself, right?
Yeah.
Right, you can walk by yourself because we're going down here. Is that okay, Jackson?
I hate my life.
EJ. Jackson, you want to go? No, EJ has to go home like now and get washed. We'll see you in a little bit. Well, guys, we lost someone. EJ, stop. Your life is nice. Okay.
Good.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, the best out of everybody. Probably the best in my class. Wait, Jackson, can I tell you a secret?
What?
What? Jackson, you got a better life. Psych.
No,
You both got good lives.
what happened to
There's this kid in my class. That's nice.
Why is the tree going by?
Jackson Cass.
Oh, hey. That happened.
You know I could edit videos. I put my logo in the front which I'm not wearing right now. That's just the fire logo for Preston Plays. He's my favorite YouTuber in the whole world. I'm trying to be just like him. No, there's pipes. I think that's where the water goes, just in case if it floods, so it doesn't get up here and harm houses. Jackson, I'll show you the way where you get in at. Look, like that, you could come in there. Cause I want to see if we can spot anything. Wait, did you hear a frog?
Yes, I did.
Where? Right, let's go. We'll get close. Not far though. Now you're tired. A little. That's.
Could you climb on there?
Sure, you could go under if you want. Jackson, look, this is the way how you get there. I'll show you how you. Oh, dang. Jackson, look. This is the side where you get down. It's over here. You get down right here. You want to go down?
Why is it flags?
Where? Oh yeah, that's because that's electric fence. Do you want to go in or no?
Electric fence? Can I go past it?
Yeah, Jackson, do you want to go in here? Take a good look or no? All right, let's go back. But this way. No, this way. Jackson, come on. No, we're not going to get hurt. That's the creek.
Jump over it.
Nothing's going to happen. But just I don't really want you going over there. Wait. Let's see if we can spot anything.
There's a frog.
Where? Where is it? Jackson, point. I don't see anything. I love frogs and toads. Alright, we gotta get home because the video is gonna end soon, and then we're gonna have to edit it. So let's get home where it's safe and nice, and it will be all good, guys. Guys, you want to? There's the pipes. Jackson, oh, you good? You good? For some reason, wait, Jackson, you want to maybe go down here? Oh yeah, we already been down there, but it wasn't filming. It's just a nature walk with him. We're gonna edit this video.
Walk my spit.
I really want to grab a toad or frog because I love them. It's fun. Today when I went to go check the mail, I saw these. So yeah. Yeah, I find a lot of frogs and toads in my backyard, and they're my favorite. The best thing that I like when stuff comes in my backyard in the pool is mostly sometimes turtles, snakes, and bullfrogs. No snakes, just bullfrogs and turtles. Because I had a bullfrog once come in my pool, but never again. It probably came from over here. Wait, Jackson, I think I know an easier way in if you want to go in. Yeah.
It's so easy.
I know. What?
It's so easy.
You want to go?
No.
Okay. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. Jackson, what do we do? Oh, come on, everybody says that. Leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe, guys. Bye. Later. Love y'all. Bye. Leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. Love you all. Bye.